Hello, welcome once again to my channel. This question was sent to me to solve, and then okay, straight to the point. Three metal bars of length S and mass M are placed on top of each other. Okay, as shown below. Given that the metal ball have uniform density, find the x coordinates of the center of mass of the metal bars. So this question has to do with center of mass. Okay, we need to take note of key points. Three metal bars of length s. It means they all have equal length, equal mass. One way to also know that they have equal mass is that the question made mention that there is uniform density, right? So that's another thing we need to note. Another thing we need to note is that we have to look for the x coordinates. So we're not interested in the y coordinates. So these three blocks were drawn. I already drawn my axis, so we should know that here is at the origin hole. We should know that this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. All right, so straight to the point. I Since we're looking for the center of mass, I want us to take note of this point. We assume this is the center of mass 1. Assume this is the center of mass 2. And let's say this is the center of mass 3. Okay, might not be drawn to scale, but those points seems to be the center of each of this metal bar. Another thing we need to take note is that those bars are equal. So if the length of the bar are s, it means half of it is s over 2. And for us to get the center of mass, we need to note that we always take our center from the origin. You get it? So if this side is 8, it means from this point, from the origin to the center, is actually 8. So that will aid us to solve this question properly. Right, so I'm going to draw some additional line so that it will not get confused, and then I'm going to explain what those lines will help us do. So actually I drew a line from the origin down to those assumed center of mass. So let's fill in the gap. If this is the origin to this point is the center, and we know the length of the bar is s, so it means this should be s over 2. Distance from here to this point 2 should be s over 2. Distance from this point to this point 2 should be s over 2. All right, so the next thing now is to actually find the remaining length. Okay, so if from here to here is s over 2, from here to here is s over 2, the question is, what is the distance from here to here? It's a good thing that we're already told that it's s over 2. This s over 2. Right, now this part from here to here is s over 2. All right, from here to here, we know that it's S over 4. And from here to here, we know that it's S over 2. So I'm going to fill in this gap, S over 2. So we have S over 2, S over 4, S over 2, we have S over 2, S over 2, S over 2. So it means that for mass 1, the center from the origin is S over 2. For mass 2, the center of origin is, the center of the mass from the origin is S over 2 plus S over 2. For M3, the center of the mass from the origin is S over 2 plus S over 4 plus S over 2. So let me spell it down. Right, so everything that has been said, I've put it in the equation form. All right, so we're going to proceed by solving for the center of mass using the x coordinate. So I'm going to write the formula, which is x cm equal m1 x1 m2 x2 m3 x3 over m1 m2 plus m3. Note that the mass are the same, so I would also substitute in the value. We'll be having m1 is m. I'll be taking m as the mass, and distance for that is s over 2 plus m2 is m also. The distance from the origin is s plus m3 is m2 over 5s over 4, and then this will be over m plus m plus m. All right, so s over 2 plus s plus 5s equal 11s over 4. That's, taking the LCM, it's 4. 4 into is 2 2s, and then we have, okay, you know what, let me just solve it. But first of all, let me bring out m. Let me factorize m out. I should have factorized ms out. Let me factorize ms out. And then we have 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 5 over 4 over m plus m equal 3m. So this m, we cancel this m. So let me simplify what's in the brackets. The LCM there is 4. 4 in 2, 2 times 1, 2. 4 in 1 is 4 plus 1, 4. 4 in 4 is 1 times 5. So, and the sum of 4 and 2 is 6. And then the 5 is 11 over 4. All right, so what we have in now is S 11 over 4 divided by 3. So this give me 11s over 12. So the center of coordinates with the x-axis, that is xcm, equal 11s over 12. I hope you find this helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell for more updates concerning the video that I've posted. Thank you very much.